Okay, second installation of CentOS, which is going to be host 1. New virtual machine. Okay, let me see if I have something in my clipboard. Ansible host 1, I'm gonna call it this way. In any case, all these machines will be removed afterwards. Browse the Hyper-V, Hyper-V, Hyper-V. Select next, next, next. Connect to the switch. External Hyper-V, not more than 16 gigabytes. Next. Installation media is gonna be CentOS 819. Next. Finish. Ansible host 1 and controller 1. Those are the two virtual machines which I'm gonna use. So now settings. I'm gonna disable these checkpoints. And that's it for now. I'm gonna install it while I have this high resolution. Connect. Start. Enter. Now hit escape. Or it asks to check the media. Escape. It continues with the installation. The host name is gonna be Ansible host 1 local domain. Anaconda is running now. Starting installation 1. It's much easier when I have the notes already. It's gonna be easier for me at least. Okay, so now waiting for Anaconda. Let me look at the load of the machine. Okay, again English, United States, keyboard layout. Continue. Okay, now keyboard. I don't actually need to check all this, but let me check it. Keyboard, it's English, United States, language support, again English, time and date is gonna tell me that it's New York time. Installation source. If you're serious about that, first you have to turn on the network connection. Let me try that. Network connection, let me bring it on. Let's see the IP address, 6, which let me put here, which actually is the same IP address which I had before on one of my Ubuntu machines. Ansible host 1, Ansible host 1, apply, done. Let me go back to the time and date and see if it changes. No, it doesn't change. That's okay. I can leave with that. Installation source, we check that. Next important thing is to choose the minimum install, because otherwise I had to wait a lot. Installation destination is already chosen. Okay, so that's it. That's it. Network and host name, I already checked that and changed it. Ansible host 1, okay. Security policy, done. Begin installation. Okay, I'm gonna set the password again to the already same password. Password, again to the very same password. Yes, it comes from the dictionary, I know that, but what can I do? Okay, so it's Stoyan, but I'm gonna call it only Stoyan. Password, password, done, done, and we are ready and waiting for the installation to complete. I'm gonna pause and come back when it's done. Okay, so it's finally installed. Reboot. I have to shut down the machine probably because now, yeah, the CD is still inserted. Turn off, turn off. Go here, settings. Now I have to remove the installation media. Okay. Before I forget, actually, let me change the settings of the memory, so it's not that much, but only this much. Settings, memory, this also. You cannot decrease the maximum memory or increase the minimum memory, blah blah. What? Out of boundary, cancel that. Where did I make a mistake? Let me look it again. Memory, enable dynamic memory. Out of boundaries, enable dynamic memory. Okay, so we'll see that. We'll see that. Okay. Memory, enable dynamic memory. Oh, it's running. Okay, so this one is running, so I have to stop it first. That's strange. Didn't I stop it? Shut down now. Okay, so controller 1, settings. Let me change the memory before I forget, so I can run both of the machines at the same time. Again, settings. Okay, that's okay. Settings. That's okay. Now I can run both of them, but first I will stop recording now, save it, and run again in small resolution.